In the previous lesson, we learned how to play Sargam on the first string. In this lesson, we are going to do some exercises with those notes or swaras. So the first one that we are going to do will be a 3-note exercise pattern. Now this exercise is in 3 count. So that means that we have to count like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'll play it first and then I'll explain how to do that. I will play it one more time and I will count while I'm playing. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Sometimes some people make a mistake and they play the exercise in 4 counts. So I'll show you, if you play this in 4 counts, how it will sound. So as you can see, after I play the 3rd note of the pattern, there is a long gap and then I go to the next phrase. Okay, so if I play, let's say Sarega, then I put a gap and then I play Regama. So now this becomes a 4 count pattern, but this one we are going to practice in 3 counts because then it helps us to improve quickly, because in the 4 count pattern you get enough time to go to the next phrase, but in this 3 count exercise you don't get that much time to go to the next phrase, so you have to be very quick. Okay, so that's why we're going to do it in 3 counts to make it a little difficult, which will eventually help you to improve quickly. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You don't have to play fast. You can play slower than this. So obviously always start with a slower speed and then slowly increase the speed and go as fast as possible. It will take time. Always practice slowly. Start in a slower speed and then increase the speed slowly. Okay, so I will play it very slowly. I will do the descending of the avroha of the exercise. So two, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So even when I'm playing in a slower speed, I am still maintaining the rhythm. So that also you have to keep in mind. And also, just like the previous Sargam practice that we did, Saregama Padhanisa, Sanidapa Magaresa, here also we are not sliding from one note to the other. Okay, so I am not sliding like, I'm not doing that. I'm playing one note, then cutting the sound, then going to the next note. And that's the main skill that you have to develop, to stay on the note that you are currently playing till the last moment and then quickly go to the next note. That will create that that bridge between the notes. Otherwise, what will happen if let's say I'm playing that note and then I lift up the bar and take some time to go to the next note, then there will be a disconnect between the 2 notes. So now there is a disconnect. So with practice you have to develop that skill to stay on the note that you are currently playing till the last moment, and then quickly go to the next note and do the same there also. So it will take some time, but slowly you will get there. I think you can see the notes here. So this is sa re ga ma pa ma pa dha pa dha ni dha ni sa, and then we are just gonna do the descending pattern, which is the sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa, and then we go to the next exercise, which is again in 3 counts, and it's almost similar to the previous one that we just did, but the main difference is that we have 2 repeating notes in the beginning. Now these 2 notes are on the same beat, and that means that on the first beat of the count or on the 1. So when we are counting 1 2 3 1 2 3, on the 1 we have to play those 2 notes in the beginning of the phrase. So sa sa re ga, we have to play sa sa re ga. Okay, sa sa. Now because we are playing 2 notes on a single beat, we have to play them quickly, obviously, because the time is the same, but we are playing 2 notes in the place of 1 note, so we have to be very quick. So sa sa re ga ma ga ma pa dha, and then continues like that. Okay, so I'll play once and then you can try that. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So the next exercise, you can see again it's a 3 count exercise. Now the exercise looks similar to the first one that we did. So sa re ga ma pa dha pa dha ni sa. The main difference is that now we are going to learn how to glide from one note to the other. And you can see there is a carved line above the notes. This means that we have to glide from the first note through the second note to the last note here. Okay, so we are striking on the first note on the sa, going to the second note, and then finishing on the third note. So only 1 stroke for 3 notes. There are 2 more things that I'll show you, and you can notice that when I'll play the exercise, and then I'll show you that also. So let's see how it goes. Again 3 counts, so 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, so 1 2 3 1 2 3 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 without counting. So you get the idea how to do the exercise. Now 2 things that or 2 techniques that you have to learn to do the exercise. The first one, if you have noticed, when I was playing the first phrase of this exercise, we are playing the open string, and then we are just putting the bar like this on the re, or the second fret of the first string. I'm not striking again, I'm just putting the bar, and then my fingers are touching the string. So I'm putting the bar first like this, and then my fingers are touching. So it's very it's almost at the same time, but there is a delay. So I'm putting the bar and then my fingers are touching the string like this. Okay, so almost at the same time, but still. So the main goal here will be to get a very clean sound, but not that metallic sound. I will show, like if you play it incorrectly, then it will be. See, you get that sound of that string we don't want that. We want the sound to be clean as possible. So that's why you have to dampen the string with your fingers behind the bar. Okay, so the fingers will help you to dampen the string. Okay, so this is called hammer on. Hammer on. We are hammering on the string. So hammer on. So we do the hammer on, then we glide. Okay. Okay, it will take some practice to get used to the technique. Now when we are coming down, after you reach to this point where you have to play the ga re sa, you have to do the opposite of hammer on. Okay, the technique that we used when we started. Now you have to do a pull off. Okay, that means we play the ga, glide to re, and then we rotate our hand like this, and then we lift up our hand. Okay, so we go up the string like this. So okay, I'm rotating my wrist like this while I'm going off the string like this. This is called pull off. Pull off.